So I'm here at Dryer South Power Sports. Got cylinder and power valve. I know Millennium would probably clean this up, but for some reason the power valve had quite a bit of gunk in it, so kind of wanted to take it here and have them clean it up first and get this bad boy looking like new. Dryer South Power Sports. We're gonna pick up the cylinder and head and power valve and see how that stuff turned out. Kind of excited to see it. It's supposed to look brand new. My bike the other day, 2 days in a row, and tried to tell you it was getting ready to get cold.
I knew it was getting cold, but I wasn't gonna wash it in the rain.
It wasn't raining yet.
Yeah, it was. I was riding it in the
rain. But
it
was like 50 degrees.
I was riding it in the rain.
Sat out here with mud caked all on the aluminum. Poor thing.
Sorry.
Disregard. While he's got these sitting right here, all spotless. Not gonna worry about old Dad's bike. Mine are clean. It's all I'm worried about.
That one.
That's it. What?
That one's not clean. That one's not clean.
Well, that's Cooper's. He's Cooper.
Yeah.
It's getting ready to start putting stuff together.
Uh-huh.
Got some forks.
A little bit.
A little bit. Still waiting on quite a few parts. But we got some forks. And some handlebars, and some handguards, and some grips. We can kind of get the front. We're waiting on graphics. And levers. Did we get the levers?
We have levers.
We have levers. What about brake lines? Did we get brake lines?
We don't need brake lines.
I thought we were getting brake lines.
No, we have stock. Brand new.
That's a clutch cable you're hanging on to there.
The brake's not on the bike.
Oh.
Thought we hit play, but apparently we didn't, and there's no time lapse. So you saw us get the bar risers on, you saw us get the bars on. I think after that shut off, we got one grip on, got the kill switch on, we just got the clutch on loosely. Haven't worked on the throttle side yet. We are missing just a front brake lever so far, but we can get everything else than a front brake lever. Change of plans. We took the clutch lever off, just got the line hanging here. We're gonna get a perch instead, a whole perch and lever thing. So yeah, we won't have a clutch lever or brake lever right now. But the other stuff we're gonna try to get on. I'm gonna get on this grip and just put the brake on. Just leave it stock. Fresh EODI grip on. Got the brake lever on. Got the brake caliper all on there. Now we are gonna get this little brake thing connected to the suspension, or the triple clamps. And then we're gonna put some final touches on it. And that'll be all for tonight. All right, we got the brake guide all on, the brake line guide. And so I got the final little touches on the bar pad and these sweet grip covers. And a huge shout out to ODI. I've always liked their bars and grips. The EMIG lock-on grips, always the best. Just big thanks to them for helping us out. We finally got the engine back, and it's been a long time since we worked on it. Well, for you guys, it was just a second ago, but for us, it's been a long time. We got the engine back, and we're ready to start. Here in the next few days, we're gonna have it mostly built. So we got the engine put back together, and it looks really good. Got it all shined up. We also got...
Except for them dirty handprints I got on the cylinder.
Oh, we got brake lever and clutch lever and perch on the clutch. This handguard's done. I still gotta work on this one. I think it's almost done. And yeah, so next we're gonna do V-force reads. We're gonna put the radiator on and all the hoses, put the pipe on, and maybe we'll update you somewhere in between. We got the V-force reads in, looking fresh. We got the new Pro Circuit pipe on, and we got the big tank on. Pretty easy to mount up, just a few little rubber pieces. She's on there good. Yeah, it's so easy to do foot pegs.
No, it ain't. It's easy for you to watch me and do it.
What do you have to do?
I hate foot pegs, especially when my hands are cold.
Just go warm
Little
up.
springs and little tedious stuff.
Well, then you're changing tires then.
No, I'm ready to go in. It's 9 o'clock. We got way farther tonight than what we originally intended on.
I can put this in real fast.
Oh, yeah. You gonna put one of those baggies over that, too?
Why? It's not a radiator.
It's a fake radiator. Take one.
Okay.
Go.
All right, so it's looking like a dirt bike again. We got the fresh shock on there. Got stiffer springs in it for...
So let's tell them what we did on the spring. So stock spring was a 0.49.
Yep, and I think we got a 0.52.
Yep, because we went where?
Huh?
We went to Racetech's website and we put in
My weight.
and what you ride.
Yep.
And then it spits out your spring rate.
I think I weigh like 115 or something. So.
Fatty.
Hey, I'm not a fatty.
Uh-huh.
Well, if you come over here, we got the pipe on. We got some really nice decor grip tape so you don't run all the paint off of your frame.
And it helps you grip the bike better.
Yep, your boots tack onto that really well. We got the airbox on, the boring part, but yeah, so we still need to get some foot pegs, plastic, tires, seat, and that's about it. We're getting close. So, now it's actually balanced. It's not even strapped down to the stand anymore, so that's pretty cool. We got the brand new Michelin tires, Starcross 5s, the best tire that you can run. This is a medium. We go back and forth a lot between the medium and the soft. If it's like more gonna be a muddy race, we'll run soft. If it's a medium, or if it's hard, we're gonna run the medium. We'll go back and forth a lot. And now we got some bigger and more spiky IMS foot pegs. Gonna put them on.
More spiky?
More spiky. Wider, more.
Wider and sharper?
Yes. There we go.
Okay. Test out the suspension. Oh, the bars just moved down. Well, who tightened them?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Who tightened them?
I don't know.
Huh?
It's power of God, because I said I wanted to move them.
Okay. Well, they look like they need to go forward now.
Well, go get a...
I feel like we need to go through the whole bike and check every bolt now.
Might as well. Finally, got it done. And pretty mad because it's turned 2021 and it is it's blizzarding outside. And I can't ride. But it's done now. So we're gonna come into the first round with no riding, but it's alright. This happens. But so, talk about the bike. Let's start up here. The suspension is done by Ryan Frederick, a local that does suspension as a side job. We have Michelin tires on it. I think it's a medium Starcross 5 front tire. And then move up. we have ODI bars. They're the super mini bend, I guess. And ODI IMIG original lock-on grips. I think they have 2 IMIG ones now, right? These are the original ones. I like those better. Flow levers on both sides, but this one has a perch. Multi-movements. Oh! They both go all directions. Moving to the back, we have an IMS big tank. Decor seat cover.
Which I'm not super pumped on with the graphics. I think we should win all black.
What about black, gray?
That would have been super sick.
Well, we can buy it, but it's a lot of money.
Yep.
Decor grip. So whatever I show you on this side is basically almost the same as this side. We have decor grip right here for your boots. IMS foot pegs, a little bit bigger and sharper. Pro Circuit header. We have V-Force reeds. Millennium Technologies did our motor for us. Thanks to Melissa for helping us out on that. Okay, so we don't have it on yet, but usually we just have stock right now, but usually we'll run Sunstar sprockets and a DID chain. The shock is done by Ryan Frederick as well, same guy who does the forks. We have a Michelin Starcross 5 back tire. Pro Circuit silencer. And then, so it's kind of weird, but usually we go with the Cherubies plastics. I think, like, these are Cherubies, but these are stock, and these are Cherubies, but those are stock, so we kind of just got it niche match. And then 180 decals did our graphics for us, and they turned out pretty good. So yeah. Oh, one thing that I didn't get. A twin air radiator, what do you call that? Sleeve?
Mesh sleeve.
Mesh sleeve. So it's about
Kind of lets dirt fall off of it instead of sticking.
Yeah. Alright, so a few more notable sponsors. Always run Bel-Ray oil, best in the game. Always helps our bike trim.
What are you running in the transmission?
Bel-Ray.
What kind of Bel-Ray?
Oh, I don't know.
Gear Saver 75 weight.
Okay, yes, that.
Okay, and then what are you running the gas?
We run Sunoco race fuel.
Okay.
And we mix it with Bel-Ray oil. And
which one?
Don't know.
Take a guess.
I can't even. I know it, but I don't remember the name. H1R.
H1R.
We mix our 2-stroke gas with H1R Bel-Ray oil.
What about this other logo down here?
Yep, we got no toil.
Yep, we always run no toil. Air filter oil.
Oh yeah.
We're still waiting on a few parts from Works Connection. Don't have those on yet.
Whatever. Okay.
And then who else? Big sponsor.
Stacy Mundy. Thank you.
Always gets us good shots, so we can send those off.
Oh, a few more back here. Michelin, which we already said that.
Randy.
One more big shout out. Thanks to Westfield, Jesse, always helping us get our bikes, and thanks to Kawasaki for the Team Green program, to giving us discounts and stuff like that. So looking forward to a big buck GNCC, which is 5 days, I think. I'm definitely not ready, but my bike is. So thanks for watching the build, and sorry it was such a wait for part 2.